Welcome to my channel, Dash of Luxe. Today we're going to do a little something different. Number one, I'm going to update you on a video that I did on the Coach Empire 40, whether or not I'm keeping it or returning it. And I've decided to return it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take it back to the store, even though it's such a beautiful bag. It's just not for me. I actually tried to use it one day. So let's back up. I bought this because I needed a new work bag. And so a few days ago, I put all of my work things in it and tried to go out the door, but it was just way too heavy. It was way too overwhelming. And, you know, at this big age, I got back problems. I got achy joints, and I just cannot have an appendage hanging off the side of my body like a 3-year-old toddler. So it's going back to the store. Like someone wise in the comments said, don't have money sitting on your shelf, and you can put that money towards something else. So we're not doing the putting money towards something else today, but we are taking it off of the shelf and returning it because it doesn't work for me. And I'm not in the habit of keeping things that don't work for me. I'm also not in the habit of returning things all the time, so especially expensive items. So this is a very rare thing for me. I usually keep the things that I buy that I love. So we're going to go to the mall today, and I'll take you with me. So just a quick outfit of the day before I head out the house. It's a very casual day because I'm just running to the mall real quick and coming home. So I have on this coat from Avec Les Filles, which I absolutely love. I just have the belt tied in the back there. Baseball cap, this New York Yankee snapback, burgundy, and then I have on just a t-shirt. Says Big Aries Energy because it's Aries season. Hey. And then I just have these sweater joggers on from Target. And then my shoes are Steve Madden leopard print shoes and my Neverfull. So I will see you in a bit. Do you have the smaller size? Is there a smaller size? Alright, so I am on my way home. The return was successful, quick and easy, just the way I like it. So after I did my return, the sales associate showed me that there's a smaller version of the Empire Carryall in the 28 size. And I tried it on and I really like it. It was so comfortable on me, way better than the 40, at least for me. Right now it's available in the black. And I think she said that it's also available in the honey, but not until later this month. I think she said March 31st, the honey will come out and be available. And the Merlot in the 28 size will be available in September. Now, the reason that I was so drawn to the Carryall is because of the color. So if they have that 28 size in the Merlot, then I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and get that. Whoa, that freeway entrance came up quick. But yeah, I love shopping on Sundays. It's just so peaceful. No one's in a hurry. What is going on up here on this freeway? Okay, didn't do any shopping. I can't believe that I didn't buy anything, but I'm trying to, not buy too many things just because of this, economic uncertainty. So how are you guys feeling about like shopping and luxury purchases right now at this, in this time that we're in? I think for me, it's not a thing to where I'm just like not gonna shop at all, or I'm not gonna, make any luxury purchases. That's just unrealistic for me. But I'm definitely scaling back, definitely being more intentional about my purchases. I've been around for a long time through different economic downturns, through recessions, and so you kind of just adjust accordingly. If your budget allows shopping and you need things or you want things, then that's what you do. If your budget doesn't allow that, or if different priorities take over, then there's less discretionary spending for those type of things. So, and then there seems to be this trend lately of like influencers selling their handbags, and it's like anti-luxury or whatever. But my love for luxury handbags is not a trend for me. I've been a handbag lover for most of my life. It's not a trend for me. So all of that doesn't really affect what I love, what I like, what I buy. And then you kind of have to think about the reason that you buy these handbags. Do you buy them because it's a trend, or because it's the thing to do? You see some influencer that has it and then you want it, or you're trying to be like the celebrities or the rich people? Or are you buying handbags because you love them, like me? Do you buy handbags because they're trendy, or do you buy them because you really have a love for them? But yeah, so that's what I have going on this